Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey there fashion stars, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly memorizing for you, and styling video of the pure chiffon shimmer Jaipuri single dye saree with running blouse handwork, price at just rupees 2000. And as we unreveal this beauty, let's take a closer look at the execute detail. The saree is made of pure shimmer chiffon, a fabric renowned for its elegant wrap. It features a stunning single dye pattern which adds a touch of sophistication to your assemble, but it doesn't stop there. The running blouse handwork on this saree truly raises the bar. Intricate design and delicate thread work adorn the borders, making it a true statement piece. The craftsmanship on this saree is simply incapable, breathable life into every thread. Now let's talk style. This saree is a perfect blend of traditional and contemporary. You can pair it with contrast blouse and some stunning jewelry at a dead extra oops, whether it's a wedding, festive occasion, or even a special candlelight dinner. This saree is a sure to turn head wherever you go. So if you looking for something extraordinary to enhance your wardrobe, this pure shimmer chiffon Jaipuri single dye saree with running blouse handwork is the perfect choice. Its elegance and artistry charm will leave you spellbound. Thanks all for today this video. We hope you enjoy it as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more. Most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspirations. And if you want to purchase this saree, then link is in description box. You can check it out. Until then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.